Are you struggling to read a file in SWI-Prolog? You're not alone. Many beginners face this challenge, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to get your code to work, and it just won't cooperate. This is a common issue for those new to Prolog, and it can feel overwhelming. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how do I read a file in SWI-Prolog and ensure the numbers are treated as integers, not strings? They provided a file with a count of numbers on the first line and the actual numbers on the second line. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what are the main issues here? First, you need to split the numbers based on spaces or new lines. Second, you want to ensure that these numbers are treated as integers, not strings. Let's explore how to solve these problems. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a pro tip that will make working with files in Prolog much easier. To begin solving the user's problem, we need to read the file in SWI-Prolog. The user can use the built-in predicate called open to open the file for reading. Next, the user should read the first line of the file to get the count of numbers. This can be done using the read line to string predicate. Now, the user needs to read the second line and split it into individual numbers. They can use read line to string again and then split the string using split string. Finally, the user must convert the split strings into actual numbers. This can be achieved using the maplist predicate along with number string. After completing these steps, the user will have a list of numbers that they can work with in their Prolog program. This will solve the issues they faced. Fun fact, Prolog is one of the oldest programming languages still in use today, dating back to the 1970s. It's amazing how it has stood the test of time. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves creating a Prolog predicate to read the file. They open the file, read the first line to get the number of entries, and then read the second line to extract the list of numbers. In their example, when calling the predicate with a file named file.txt, it successfully retrieves the number of entries and the list of numbers as integers. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always validate your input data after reading it. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to read files in SWI-Prolog and handle numbers correctly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Prolog and other programming languages.